Hi, welcome to CJ Why Money Entertainment. And if you've never been to my channel, hello and hi honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And today I got me a Pinchme box. And I want to share with you what's in my Pinchme box. And it's a box, so of course I need my knife. For the box. So let's see what's inside. There's a couple things in here. Okay. I got Haribo Gold Beers. Probably seen them on TV. This is gummy bears, and they're the original. And I got that. They're orange, lemon, pineapple, strawberry, and raspberry. Yummy, yummy. I also got Blue Almond Smokehouse. They're almonds. They're 2 gram carbo, and I got that too. Yeah. It's a whole bunch of stuff to taste. I got Slim Fast Keto Fat Bomb Snack Cupcake. It's a lemon drop flavor cupcake. Got this too. Then I got this. It says you're about to meet your next favorite personal care. And these are wipes. Cotton wipes. So let's open this up. And it's for face, hands, it's dry, wet, it's eco-friendly. And it's 100% plant-based. I got 20% off on my next order, 10% off on a next order. Kubi wipes. And let's see how they really are. Wipe it out. Let's see. Well, it's a dry wipe, and it's pretty sturdy, and it's a nice size to wipe down whatever you may need to wipe down. So, throw your likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button, cause you wanna be a honeybee. Likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button, cause you wanna see more.